Why are you busting your tail in the gym, chugging those chalky protein shakes, only to look in the mirror and see absolutely zilch changing? Seriously, man to man, if you've crossed that 60 milestone, you already know the vibe. You're putting in the sweat, but the gains, they're just ghosting you. Well, grab a seat because in this explainer, we're diving into something wild. How a cheap, tiny fruit might actually help rebuild your muscle way better than those crazy expensive supplements. We're going to unpack some serious, game-changing science today. And yeah, I'm keeping the ultimate solution locked in the vault until we count down to the absolute best one.
So, let's get real for a second. Are you dropping a small fortune on these so-called miracle supplements, but the mirror is just telling you a totally different story? Man, it is beyond frustrating. You're shelling out major cash for powders and pills that promise the world. You read the labels, you choke down the shakes, and then crickets. Nothing happens. It's like your body is literally just ignoring all that premium fuel you're paying top dollar for.
And honestly, it's downright brutal. Think back to working out in your 40s. It was a whole different ballgame, right? You'd hit the weights, slam a shake, and boom, you actually saw gains. Your body bounced back. But hitting the gym in your 60s, it kind of feels like running face first into a brick wall of stagnation. Or worse, you're actually losing muscle despite leaving it all on the gym floor. But hey, listen to me, it is not a lack of hustle on your part. See, the massive $44 billion with a B dollar supplement industry absolutely does not want you hearing the story I'm about to drop. I was totally floored when I dug up this case study about a 74-year-old woman who completely crushed a grip strength test. I mean, bone-squeezing power. And get this, she didn't use some overpriced designer protein or hire a fancy trainer. Nope, she found a biological loophole that totally bypasses the system that this $44 billion industry banks on.
Instead of throwing her money away in the supplement aisle, she used 6 specific, ridiculously cheap, tiny fruits. Yeah, you heard me right. 6 little fruits that basically hack your biology and force your muscles to start growing again. In this explainer, we're going to rank these 6 fruits from the least to the absolute most powerful. That way, you'll know exactly what biological signals you need to start sending your body. But before we unveil fruit number 6, we got to talk about the invisible villain that's been stealing your hard-earned gains.
All right, so the real culprit here is this thing called anabolic resistance. This is the biological bad guy, man. As we get older, our bodies drift into this resistance zone, and what does that actually mean for you? It means your muscle protein synthesis just tanks. We're talking a massive 40% slowdown. On top of that, your mTOR pathway, which is essentially your body's master switch for building muscle, just stops responding to protein. So you can eat chicken breast and whey protein until you're blue in the face, but your body is basically deaf to it.
When anabolic resistance hits the brakes, you're looking at a devastating 40% plunge in your body's ability to synthesize protein. Your system isn't just turning a blind eye to the protein you eat, it's actively tearing down your existing muscle fibers. But hey, don't sweat it, because the fruits we're counting down are literally engineered by nature to hack this exact roadblock. Let's kick off this countdown and see how we can flip the script, starting right at number 6.
Coming in at number 6, golden berries, or some folks call them Cape gooseberries.
These little orange marble-sized guys are absolutely loaded with biological compounds called withanolides. Let's break down why that's awesome. First off, they pack anti-catabolic compounds. In plain English, they actively stop your body from chewing up your hard-earned muscle. They literally block these enzymes with wild names like MRF and atrogen-1, which are basically the demolition crew your body sends in to dismantle muscle as you age. Studies actually show these berries can slash muscle-wasting inflammation by a whopping 28%. Plus, they've got 36% more phosphorus than your average berry, which is absolutely critical for churning out the ATP energy your muscles need to actually fire and contract when you're working out.
All right, let's keep it moving to number 5, goji berries. Now, goji berries have been around the block for centuries. They're the super rare, plant-based complete protein that actually packs all 8 essential amino acids. But their real superpower, fixing a downright scary biological glitch. See, after you cross the 70-year mark, the activity of your satellite cells, which are basically your muscle stem cells, plummets by 50%. These are the dormant little guys hanging around your muscle fibers, just waiting for the call to jump in, repair, and build new tissue. When their activity drops by half, your ability to recover basically falls right off a cliff.
Enter goji berries. They contain these incredibly unique polysaccharides called LBPs. Think of LBPs as the missing jumpstart cable for your muscle's internal repair shop. The research shows these compounds can actually crank up dormant stem cell activation by 24%. It literally wakes up those lazy cells, getting them to fuse with your existing muscle fibers to build brand new tissue. It is exactly like calling in a fresh, fully energized construction crew for your biceps.
Moving right along to number 4, we've got mulberries.
Mulberries are basically your secret weapon against blood sugar spikes, which, believe it or not, secretly trigger insulin resistance and put your muscle loss on fast forward. Here's their playbook. They pack this super rare compound called DNJ. What DNJ does is it actually pumps the brakes on carbohydrate absorption, keeping your muscle cells highly sensitive to insulin. That means your cells leave the front door wide open to absorb the nutrients they need, instead of locking them out. And if that wasn't enough, they are absolutely loaded with resveratrol. Studies show this stuff cranks up mitochondrial efficiency in older muscle by 23%. Man, that is a massive, massive upgrade to your cellular energy. All right, we are in the top 3 now, folks. Number 3, aronia berries, also known as chokeberries. Listen, if your aging muscles are feeling stiff, sore, and just drowning in oxidative stress, you've got to pay attention to this one. Aronia berries flex the absolute highest antioxidant score of any fruit on the face of the earth. They can literally slice the cellular damage in your muscles almost in half. And honestly, it gets better. They deliver a massive 29% boost to your nitric oxide production. If you've ever chugged a pre-workout drink, you know nitric oxide is the magic behind that gym pump. It pops your blood vessels wide open, flooding those older muscle fibers with fresh, oxygen-rich blood and crucial amino acids right when they need it most.
But hold up, this might be the most mind-blowing thing about aronia berries. The science is starting to show that they actually mimic this exercise hormone called irisin. That means they can trigger muscle preservation even on days when your joints are barking and you're just stuck on the couch. It's literally tricking your body into thinking it's sweating it out in the gym, helping you hold on to all that hard-earned muscle. How wild is that?
Coming in extremely hot at number 2, our runner-up for the crown, sea buckthorn berries.
Look, as we cruise past 60, the protective walls around our muscle cells, our cell membranes, start to get pretty ragged. When they degrade, it becomes physically impossible for the cells to suck up nutrients. You could eat a massive, premium steak, and the protein basically just bounces right off. But sea buckthorn? It's a total freak of nature. It's the only known fruit on the planet packing all 4 omega fatty acids, omega-3, 6, 7, and 9. That is a gargantuan deal for your cellular health. Normally, you'd be swallowing a whole fistful of fish oil pills just to get in the same ballpark as this one tiny fruit.
And here is exactly why that translates to gains. The omega-7 in sea buckthorn goes to work directly patching up the wrapper of your muscle cells, delivering a 32% boost in membrane integrity. In fact, one study showed that when older guys repaired these cell wrappers, they actually had measurable physical improvements in how their muscles contracted in just 90 days. Their cells could finally use the protein they were putting in their bodies. And here we go, the moment you've been hanging around for, the ultimate heavy hitter. Number 1, maki berries. If you are dead serious about taking the fight to muscle loss, this is hands down one of the most powerful natural anabolic compounds we've found in decades. It's all about how it hotwires your body's built-in limits. Maki berries are stuffed with this compound called delphinidin. Now, delphinidin is a massive activator for the AMPK pathway, which is basically your body's master energy sensor and the ultimate switch for natural muscle building. But here is the real kicker. It works by shutting down something called myostatin. Myostatin is like the strict foreman in your body that puts a hard limit on how big your muscles are allowed to get. Maki berry basically tells that foreman to pack up and take a hike. I really want this next fact to sink in for a second. 1 kilogram. In this crazy landmark study on older adults, and we're talking folks between 68 and 82 years old, the ones taking a maki extract slapped on nearly a full kilogram of lean muscle mass in just 4 months. And the craziest part? They did this with 0 resistance training. None. Not a single dumbbell lifted. That was just the biological trigger from the berry doing the heavy lifting. Just imagine what's possible if you stack that with some actual time in the gym. So here is the massive takeaway for today. These 6 fruits, they aren't some hocus-pocus overnight magic. They are the exact, specific biological signals that your aging muscles have been starving for. And honestly, the best part is, you can finally stop burning cash on those towering stacks of expensive, overhyped supplements. You can grab a lot of these fruits for literally less than $1 a day. Toss them in your morning oatmeal tomorrow and just watch what happens when your body actually starts listening to the fuel you're feeding it. I want to leave you with something to chew on. Next time you look in that mirror, ask yourself, are your muscles really gone forever? Or are they just sitting there, waiting for the exact right nutrients to wake them back up? Don't overcomplicate it, man.
Start with just one of these fruits. Let's cultivate a stronger, better future together. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. And definitely keep digging into these longevity breakthroughs. You've totally got this.